Hey everyone, and welcome to Monster City. The back of the box has an illustration of the Vine Dog's gimmick, which kind of reminds me of the packaging for All Real Monsters Haluga, only a little bit. The paint of the teeth and the mouth look good, a little bit as well, and so does the yellow glow. Outside of the packaging, it is easier to tell that there are two different plastic materials that the Vine Dog is made of. The body is made of a soft vinyl plastic that typically mats down some details here and there as compared to the harder plastic that the tail and the legs are made out of. The gimmick is very fun and simple. That's what I like about the toy. The dry brushing seems clean, generally speaking, and the yellow glowing of the vines and between the vines look pretty good as well. On the bottom of the Vine Dog, you can see the marketing, the trademarks, which is from the company Jazwares. And on an off-topic note, one toy that I've always wanted from Jazwares that's quite rare to find, potentially, I haven't done much research on it, is the Jazwares Plants vs. Zombies squeezable zombie head that shoots out slime. And of course you can see the floating Mike from Stranger Things, Tales from 85. Mike is a hard plastic, as you will see me feeling, and is not squishy at all. That could rupture the green orb, as expected. Squishy toys or squeezable rubber toys like this typically do not last long, generally speaking, and may need to be handled with care if anyone wants to keep this toy for a long time. This toy is also heavy too, as well. It has more heft to it, or heaviness to it. There is some pliability with the mandibles at the front of the mouth as well. Here is the Vine Dog compared to a very strange item for this video, which is none other than the Stretch Screamer's Scary Cyclops, which is a squishy or squeezable rubber toy, and he has a head inside of him, a disembodied head. This is the clearest image I've been able to get of that head's face in particular. Very strange stuff. You have to tilt this character upside down in order to actually see the liquid, because the liquid has evaporated over time. This is an old toy from, I believe, the year 2003. Both similarities have to do with the harder plastic material that floats inside the toy, and also a monochromatic color.